In our Sunrise Smart Start, Rochester City School District officials say they're working to transfer a student who received threats.
This after she told teachers a gun was brought into her middle school. Her parents tell us they've kept her home since reporting the incident. Last night, RCSD Superintendent Carmine Peluso reached out to her father. The city's advisor for violence prevention says they're working to place more advocates in schools.
To lead them away from that lifestyle, because the most important thing is not to be a victim or an assailant in a violent crime. We're hoping to be able to build relationships with some of these young people, to allow them the trust to know that somebody's in your corner.
2 of the 13-year-old boys at the Dr. Alice Holloway Young Middle School were charged with criminal possession of a weapon. As the nursing shortage grows in our region and across the state, East High School is working to ensure there are new nurses in the pipeline. The school partners with the U of R Nursing School, providing nursing internships. Last night, they held a reception for students who completed the fall 2022 program. According to the State Department of Health, by 2030, there could be a shortage of nearly 39,000 registered nurses in New York.
All right, time now to go inside the huddle. A headline coming out from the Buffalo Bills yesterday, and not a good one, as they announced their star pass rusher Von Miller has been ruled out for the rest of the season.
This comes just days after the Bills reclaimed the #1 seed in the AFC. During the team meeting yesterday, the locker room was shocked and filled with heartbreak. This year has been rough for the Bills injury-wise, especially on the defensive side of the ball. But the players aren't looking at this as the end of their season. It's just one page of their story.
And of course, the Bills looking for some revenge this Sunday against the Jets. That game time 1 o'clock, and you can catch it right here on Channel 8.
All right, let's check in now with meteorologist Liam Healy for a look at today's forecast. Liam, I'm not feeling the homemade coffee situation today, so maybe we're going to a drive-thru and picking up some coffee.
Yeah, you know what? There's options out there for everybody. I stuck with the homemade coffee today, but for those of you who are heading out, here's your drive-through forecast. You're not going to find this anywhere else but right here. Cloudy and dry to start out this morning. Your morning commute going to be easy going. By lunchtime, still in the 40s. Going to be a pretty cut and dry day when it comes down to our temperature forecast. Still more clouds around, maybe a few more breaks of sun. And then by tonight, we'll have an easy commute back home, getting set up for dinner. Whether you're heading into the drive-through, you're lighting up the stove, it's all going to be good. A bit chillier, though, as temperatures begin to fall into the 30s overnight, leading to a chilly day for tomorrow morning.
All right, Liam, and if folks are heading out to the drive-thru this morning and you're getting on the roads to do that, there is nothing stopping you. No accidents and no major holdups on any of the roadways, so everything should be smooth sailing this morning. We do have updates for you throughout the morning, so if anything changes, we will let you know. News 8 is getting into the giving spirit this week with our 16th annual Tops Food for Families food drive, which is happening on Friday. All
donations will benefit FoodLink, which distributes food to many different organizations right here in our area. As part of the food drive, we'll have crews at the Tops on Mount Read Boulevard all day tomorrow, and that's including some of us here from News 8. Be sure to stop by and visit us in person, and if you're feeling generous, maybe donate a little brown bag of hope. You can also donate online. That's super easy. Just head to topsmarkets.com/littlebrownbags.
Back to your headlines now. A place where 350 families get their food is struggling. It's a community service-based organization called Beyond the Sanctuary, and they are facing some unexpected financial hurdles.
Jatira Marsh joins us this morning in the studio to tell us more about how the organization is hoping to overcome some of those challenges so they can still keep helping folks. Jatira, good morning.
Mel, Casey, good morning. Beyond the Sanctuary is asking for the community's help in overcoming those financial struggles so that those in need of help can be served. The organization holds weekly food distributions, and it's estimated they serve more than 350 households every week. They now say they've noticed more and more households in need of their services due to inflation. Unfortunately, those rising costs are also affecting the cost for Beyond the Sanctuary to operate and their ability to help.
I went into the grocery store just the other day, and I saw the same eggs that I paid $5 for were up to $6 in just a week's time. And that's just one example. So more and more people are finding themselves in a desperate situation, especially if they have children, large families, and of course we're right into the holidays.
They're asking the community for monetary and food donations. Beyond the Sanctuary is located at the historical AME Zion Church in the Cornhill neighborhood. Reporting in the studio, Jatira Marsh, News 8.
Jatira, thank you. And if you require their services or are looking to donate or volunteer for the organization, we'll have a link for you over on our website, rochesterfirst.com.
All right, over to some health news this morning. The American Red Cross of Western New York calling for some more blood donations to get us through this holiday season. As things pick up for the season, travel, common illnesses, and inclined weather can interrupt the ability to donate blood. The Red Cross says they're in a much better position compared to last year, but still need more donors to make sure hospitals have enough blood going into the new year. As an incentive, the Red Cross is offering a $10 Amazon gift card to all who register to give blood through December 15th. Local medical professionals are advising the community to get screened for colon cancer early after the death of Kirstie Alley, who had a late colon cancer diagnosis. Health officials say it is important to screen for colon cancer early, but how early varies person to person. For those with a family history of colon cancer, you should get screened 10 years before the age the family member was diagnosed. With no family history, the recommendation is to begin at 45. To get screened for colon cancer, you can talk with your primary care provider or any local county health clinic. All right, sticking with health news this morning, some are calling it a tridemic. Experts say RSV, COVID, and the flu are all cause for concern, especially as we approach the winter months. Experts say these viruses are all transmitted through air droplets, and to prevent these illnesses, they recommend that you stay properly hydrated, get some fresh air, and of course maintain a healthy diet. You can also boost your immune system with some vitamin C and some zinc.
94 organizations signing a letter urging Governor Kathy Hochul to increase the budget for early interventions in an effort to get infants and toddlers the help they need sooner. Leaders with the Children's Agenda say the budget increase would help with staffing shortages and make more therapists available, which would cut the wait times that are currently more than 30 days.
Heading out the door this morning, even though it's still dark right now, you're probably not going to need sunglasses all day, right, Liam?
Yeah, for the most part, not really. Clouds are going to be sticking with us from start to finish today. You may need them for tomorrow, though. Sun just starting to rise. You can see some color in the background there. Temperatures around 40 degrees right now. If you need something to make you feel better about getting up this morning, it is 10 degrees in Minneapolis right now compared to our 41. So we are starting off on a pretty high note, I'd say, for a lot of us here in Western New York. Car wash forecast next couple of days. We got dry weather today, dry weather Friday, dry weather Saturday, but the only issue with Saturday getting your car washed is it's not going to last because we're talking about a much more active pattern heading into Sunday.
All right, that's all the time we have this morning. Thanks so much for starting your day with us.
Our next update is coming up in 30 minutes. CBS Mornings is next. Have a great day, everybody.
Follow News 8 wherever you are on RochesterFirst.com,
Nice
Facebook,
doing business
Twitter,
with you, Liam.
and on our app for news and weather.